Hello friends, myself Mohit Suthar of class 10th from LKSPS Public School. As you noted, what is the importance of the communication skills in our daily life which cannot be ignored. So I wanted to become your host and tell something about communication skills. The content of this session will be communication skill, type of communication skill, verbal communication, non-verbal communication and visual communication, providing descriptive and feedback, communicational cycle, importance of feedback, specific feedback and non-specific feedback. A question is arised in your mind that today we are trying to study communication skills. So what is communication skills? So the answer of your question is communication skills involves listening, speaking, observing and understanding. In other words, we can say that if you are trying to communicate with any other with your skills, these are known as communication skills. For example, it includes ideas, feelings and the update of your project. Type of communication skills: verbal communication, non-verbal communication and visual communication. The first type of communication is verbal communication. What is verbal communication? Verbal communication enables us to share our thoughts with others by using words in a mutually understandable language such as Hindi, English and etc. Components that make verbal communication effective are listening, vocabulary, general awareness, domain knowledge and language competency. Second type of communication is non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication enables us to share our thoughts with others by using anything other than word. As you can see in this picture, the components that make non-verbal communication effective are body language, kinesis, promaxis, olfactis, haptics, silence and pose, chromactis, and chronomics. The third type of communication is visual communication. Visual communication is the practice of graphically representation information to effectively and efficiently creative meaning. Advantages of visual communication. There are main 5 advantages of visual communication. These are: prevent wastage of time, more flexible than verbal communication, make an impact on the audience, effective for liberate receivers, help in quick decision. Let's try to understand disadvantages of visual communication. There are main 5 disadvantages of visual communication. These are: limited scope, too brief, not easy to understand, prone to misinterpretation, and not cost effective. Now let's move to another topic: communicational cycle. Communication skill comprised of 8 components. These are divided into source and target. Firstly, we will discuss about source. Source, so first sender, second idea, third message, fourth encoding, and fifth communicational channel. And on the target side, first receiver, second decoding, and third feedback. A question is arise in your mind that how the communication cycles look like. As you can see in this image, yes, definitely this is how the communication cycles look like. It considers of two sectors: receiver sector and sender sector. The work done by the sender sector is developing the idea, encoding message, selecting medium and transmission of message, and the work done by the receiver sector is receiving the message and decoding, and both these sectors together make feedback. Importance of feedback. Feedback is a complete communicational process. Feedback make communication meaningful. Feedback enable us to judge our effectiveness of our message. It paves the way for a new idea generation. It is the basis for measuring the effectiveness of communication. Now talk about specific feedback. Specific feedback means giving detailed feedback on what an employee did or did not. The article is written by XYZ was very helpful in bringing the traffic to our country. This is an example of specific feedback. Last topic, non-specific feedback. As the name suggested, it involves the general statements or words like great job, good job, us the feedback. Please stay at home and stay safe. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will understand something from this video.